Living in Miami means dealing with plenty of sunshine, high humidity, and occasional tropical storms. But while we often think about our windows or insulation when it comes to keeping energy costs under control, your doors also play a big role. Replacing old or damaged doors can dramatically improve your home's energy efficiency, and here's how. First, think about air leaks. Older doors, especially those with worn-out weather stripping or gaps, let cool, air-conditioned air leak outside and hot, humid air creep in. That means your AC has to work much harder to keep your home comfortable, driving up your electricity bills. A new, properly sealed door helps eliminate these leaks, creating a stronger barrier between the inside and outside. Today's modern doors are built with energy efficiency in mind. Many replacement doors come with insulated cores, advanced weather stripping, and tighter fitting frames. These features prevent heat transfer and help maintain a stable indoor temperature, even during the hottest Miami afternoons. That means less strain on your HVAC system and lower energy costs over time. Another key benefit is that many replacement doors now come with low-E glass inserts or double-paned glass panels. If your current door has single-pane decorative glass, it may be letting in a lot of solar heat. Low-E, low emissivity glass helps reflect infrared heat while still letting light in, so you get the benefit of natural sunlight without the downside of heat gain. That's a big plus in a place like Miami, where the sun can be relentless. Door replacement can also boost your home's insulation factor. Fiberglass and steel doors, for instance, tend to have better insulating properties than traditional wood doors. They resist warping and swelling, which is especially important in Miami's humid climate, and keep their tight seal for years. That means fewer drafts and more consistent indoor comfort. Beyond energy savings, you'll also enjoy a bump in security and curb appeal. Modern replacement doors come with stronger frames and upgraded locking systems, giving you more peace of mind. And since these doors are available in a wide range of colors and styles, you can update the look of your home at the same time. The improved performance of a replacement door can also protect your home from Miami's sometimes harsh weather. Better sealing, sturdier frames, and impact-rated glass options can help shield your home from wind, rain, and even hurricane-force conditions. That adds another layer of protection, which is invaluable during storm season. If you're worried about the upfront cost, keep in mind that replacing your doors is an investment that often pays for itself over time. With lower energy bills, fewer repairs, and a potential increase in your home's resale value, many Miami homeowners find door replacement well worth it. The process itself is usually straightforward. A local professional can help you choose a door that matches your style and energy efficiency goals, then handle installation to make sure it's properly fitted and sealed. That way, you get maximum performance right from the start. At the end of the day, your doors do much more than let you in and out. They help keep your home comfortable, safe, and efficient. In Miami's challenging climate, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient doors is one of the smartest moves you can make. You'll feel the difference every time you step inside: cooler air, lower bills, and the peace of mind knowing your home is ready for whatever the weather brings. If you've been thinking about making your home more energy efficient, don't overlook your doors. A simple replacement could make a huge impact on your comfort and your wallet.